Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making this delicious chicken pot pie in the Instant Pot using our air fryer lid. If you have the dual crisp, you can do the same recipe. The functions will be right here on the side versus on the lid for the air fryer lid. But otherwise, same recipe, you guys. We can do it start to finish in the Instant Pot. No extra dishes. We're going to do it all right here in this pot. Make sure you check the description box for any of the links for the items that I used today in the video. If I'm missing anything and you're interested in it, let me know in the comments and I can go ahead and add it. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid dual crisp recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive right into making this delicious Instant Pot chicken pot pie. Alright, so today what we're going to need are 2 to 3 boneless chicken breasts. Now these are frozen. You can leave them thawed if you want, but frozen is just fine. So we're going to do frozen. A 16-ounce bag of veggies. I'm doing peas and carrots. You'll also need 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 can, and this is a 10.5 ounce of cream of chicken, the Campbell's, a 1/2 cup of celery, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and then I did about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, and then a can of jumbo biscuits. This will be used after when we use our air fryer lid. And poultry seasoning. Now, I have a bag of pre-made rotisserie seasoning that I made. I'll leave it in the comments, but it's just a combination of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and so forth. So I will leave that combination in the description box below, but I always have it on hand just in case I need to make some chicken really quick on the fly. And then I used about 1/2 teaspoon, or yeah, about 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon of seasoning. It's up to you. Now, all we're gonna do is start pouring it all in, except for the biscuits, sorry. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and pour in our chicken broth, our milk. Let's open this up here. Okay. Just pour that all in there. Now add our seasonings, and then you'll mix it up right now. Okay. Now, let me get something to mix it with. Of course, I am not prepared, but let's get a silicone spoon here. Just gonna mix all the seasonings everywhere. Oh, there I go. And let's get a closer look so I can show you as I pour in the carrots, okay? Alright, so I'm going to add the chicken. Now, I always have it in parchment paper just so it's easier to separate when it's time to use. And I don't necessarily have to use everything that's in the bag. So I'm going to put that in there. Okay. These are actually fairly large. We may actually be able to get away with just 2. Yep, you can get away with 2, so that's perfect. I'll put that on the side. We don't need to use the 3rd. You can use 2 to 3. I'm gonna pour in our frozen veggies. I'm actually going to lift the chicken here, just so I can get those frozen veggies in there. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands, and then we can pressure cook. Okay, so let's go ahead and pressure cook. We're going to do high pressure, and we are going to do 25 minutes. Alright, so we're going to pressure cook this for 25 minutes. Once it's ready, we're going to go ahead and quick release, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and quick release. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring out our chicken. We're going to need to shred it. So I'm going to just pull it into a bowl right here. Pull them both into a bowl. Okay. And then I will unplug the Instant Pot. Okay. Just put my spoon in there. Put that in there too, just to hold its place. I'm using a hand mixer. You can shred it with a fork. Oh. Okay, so now we can put our chicken back in. Okay, just mix it up. We're gonna blend that in there. All right, now we're gonna take our biscuits. Okay. And you just wanna add your biscuits on top of the mixture here, as close as possible. Okay. All right, let's get the air fryer lid and take a closer look. Okay, so as you can see, I put them really close together. We're gonna add our lid. All right, now the packaging says to bake at 350 degrees for 13 to 17 minutes. So we're gonna bake. Now the trick is to do 25 degrees less than what the packaging says. So we'll do 325 for, it says 13 to 17, so we'll do 15 minutes. All right, so we'll be back. All right, so there's 7 minutes remaining. I just want to show that they're starting to look golden brown. That's perfect. So I'm just gonna let them go another 2 minutes and then we can pull it out. All right, so there was about 5 minutes left. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Look at that, nice and golden brown. You know what? I think we should leave it a little bit longer. They still look a little bit raw there. So let's add our lid back. But you know what I'm going to do is lower the temperature. So I'm going to actually lower it to 300 degrees and allow those 5 minutes to finish. Okay, so there's 16 seconds left. I'm gonna just shut it off here. All right, we have our beautiful, perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take a scoop out here from the middle. Just scoop our pot pie mixture here. Okay. All right, there we have it, our chicken pot pie mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and get a spoon. I imagine it's hot, so please be careful, guys. That was really good. And that is how you would make, start to finish, Instant Pot chicken pot pie. Obviously using our Instant Pot and our air fryer lid. If you have the dual crisp, you can do this as well. Super easy, you guys. Start to finish in the Instant Pot, one dish. Amazing, you guys. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this recipe. But until next time, you guys have a great night.